is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cutfile Shop, and I am using the Polaroid collection cut file for this, and I've already backed it all and have it ready to go. The two photos are of my daughter at her 100th day in second grade. One of the pictures is of my daughter itself here at home, and then the other picture is at school from my her teacher. Her teacher's the one that gave it to her. So as you can tell, I'm a little bit differently on my desk, or where my desk is at. This is one of the videos that I filmed during the little weekend crop that I had with a couple of my friends that came down, Bree and Fran. So if the wobbles just a little bit, sorry. I had a different collection like right there. But it doesn't get too bad. It's just a little bit of a bump and call it a day. But I am using the collection from Close to My Heart. It is called, let me bring it up. It's so that if you are interested, you can definitely go purchase it. It is here through, what collection is this? It may not be, let me see. I have to look. But anyway, as I'm looking, make sure that you go check out the Confessions of the Paper Addict Cutfile Shop. This one is Polaroid 2. I'll link it down below. It came out in August of 2020. So it's been out there a minute. I haven't seen anybody really use this lately. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to use it instead. And do something a little bit different and back it with all of it and just come in with all of the bits and bobs, the goodies from this collection. And I love how it turns out. I think it is perfect for what I am doing. I did get this. It is called Happiness Lives Here. That's what it is. I knew it was something happiness, but I couldn't remember exactly what it is. So I'll link it down below from Close to My Heart. Now, the collection that I'm going to place in there is not what I completely got, but it's gorgeous in itself anyway. I am going to state Hello Sunshine is my title for this one because I have this word twice. I actually got this paper, the stickers, twice. Not sure how, but I did. Normally I just order the paper and the sticker pad. I think what happened was that I ordered something else and they sent the wrong thing, and Close to My Heart is amazing on this, on keeping the product and just sending out what you got missed on your collection, which is completely fine for me because I know I'll use it. Let's see here. Make sure that you go check out the Facebook group as well as her shop. Virginia hit 2 years, and as of right now, you still have time. We're on the 16th if you're in Australia, New Zealand area. If you're in the States, we still have 15 days to get the percentage off that Virginia has for her birthday month because it has been 2 years. Let me tell you, it has been a blessing in 2 years working with her. I absolutely love her. So if you're ever interested on joining a design team and you've never done a design team before, obviously anytime that anybody reaches out and says, hey, are you, there's a design team, do the calls, because I was fortunate enough to get on her team 2 years ago. At this time, actually, it'll be in April because it started in May. It goes to like May, October, and then like November to April, I think, or something like that. And I always tell Virginia, I'm like that old lady you just can't get rid of because I absolutely love working with her design team. It works out well. I know that there will be I think there'll be a design team call coming up here shortly because I know it's about that time. And I just love doing her design team. It's easy. And plus you get amazing cut files. Like, how can you pass that up? And I use them in all different ways. Like, I use a lot of her cut files, not just because of her design team, but just in general, all the time. Like, I just love it. So here I am, I'm taking the embellishments and I'm wanting to try to get some more wood pieces throughout because I want to be able to use this up. And I'm just placing different little things. I try to stick with quite a bit of the black and white on the sticker pads that I have left because I wanted to bring that in because it's her 100th day. So she looks like she's old and all of that. So I thought the old typewriter would work. And then you'll see me come in with, I can't remember if I put it on camera or if it's off camera. But anyway, in the still shots for sure, you'll see me come in with the old time watch. Because I just felt like it's perfect. Because right where those flowers are going right now, that's actually where the thing goes. Nope, I did change it. So here you go. You'll see me change it. So I do put it on here. I couldn't remember if I did or not. But like I said, I just love how this one turns out. I think it's absolutely fantastically fantastic. But yeah, so life, let me tell you. I am, right now we have our last break, or our second to last break before the end of the school year. When I did this voiceover, and many of the voiceovers are going to be done today on the 15th, I actually got done cleaning the house and all that stuff from having my friends over. I feel like sad. I'm like, oh, they're not going to be here anymore. I'm like, sad, but you know, got to get back to life. So I had to clean the house and everything. So I'm doing all these voiceovers. So I did come in with the liquid pearls. I'll link my website down below to get the liquid pearls through me if you want to. So you'll see me come in with a bunch of those. And then I do round out with Shimmers Paints, my Tuscan Sun. I did also work on college and stuff. Not while they were here, but obviously today too. I'm going to be hitting it pretty hard today because I decided to take the weekend off from college. And that, you know, kind of put me behind just a little bit, but not too much. But yeah, school will start. I do have to have Friday off for my daughter. She is got some testing to do for her IEP and whatnot. So yeah, it'll be fun. So here I am. I'm going to finish out with this and you'll see the splatters and everything. The still shots are definitely at the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week as long as it's not crazy in school. But for the most part, I'm about 2 a week. I do also do design team layouts like this, traveler's notebooks, 12x12s, collaborations, all that good fun stuff. So I hope that you hit that like and subscribe button. I hope you all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thank you.